It's a little makeup or I don't know what it's called, foundation or something.
A little bit of okay.
Now you're gonna get the blush.
Now you're gonna get the blush. Ready? Give me a big smile, cheese. Just like that. Yep. Keep cheesing. Keep cheesing. Keep cheesing. Oh my God, that's gorgeous.
Yes, it is.
That is so pretty. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. Oh, you're so pretty. That's it, ma'am.
I can bring them.
Thank you.
Molly back.
Okay, come on.
You gonna bring them
Where's your
back?
glasses?
There they are.
You can come till you're ready.
Look at yourself. Look at this mirror.
Do you recognize yourself?
Sure, you can sit down over in the light chair.
Wait a minute.
Where you
Is
go?
that my favorite front door over there? What?
Yep.
Nice.
No, you're next. You're next. You're where's friends?
Hi, sir. Gonna get a little bit of powder?
I'm just here to get a little bit of powder so my skin,
That way.
so my skin comes.
No,
No,
She's coming.
You want to be on
do
TV?
something about this. But I don't want you to cut it. I just want you to kind of get it less out of control.
Do something about your mop, you said?
Yeah. I don't want you to cut it. I just want you to make
Okay.
it to where it's not out of control.
Not out of control. Okay, we'll do.
Yeah.
Got you covered.
Is it better if I close my eyes?
Yeah. Whatever's comfortable for you. Is that comfortable to close your eyes?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got better grades.
Something smells like oranges.
That's, you know what that is? That's what I clean my brushes with, so you don't break out when I put powder on you.
So you clean it with oranges?
I clean it with the disinfectant has oranges in it, yeah. So what about your hair like this? So it's out of your face. Is that better?
Well, I was working with some hairpins last night,
You were.
and it actually held it in place and made it look really
Let's
nice.
see if we got some hairpins. I don't know
Because
if I have
I
a
know
lot of
how-
hairpins. So you gotta tell me where to put the hairpins, okay?
I mean, I know how to put them in.